So you're willing to get started with Gemini using the Google Maps. So basically here, I'm going to be showing you how to activate and master these new Gemini features elements. So the Ask Maps, for example, this is the first massive feature you need to use right now. It's called the Ask Maps. So you can look under your search bar and you will see the new Gemini conversational port. So instead of typing strict keywords like the coffee shop up and now, you can talk like a human assistant. This is only available, for example, only into your phone. But inside there, for example, you can go for my phone is dying. Where can I grab a quick bite to eat in shortest without having to wait in a long line, right? Something else that you can do is to ask even Gemini if you are directly inside now the actual computer. Let's say, for example, how can I connect to Google Maps inside here so I can ask questions. Usually it's going to be telling you that you cannot make the actual quick conversion, but into the actual phone, trust me, you can actually do that, and it's actually going to be really fine. So for example here, it all actually understands that I'm near Coacalco Cosmopol Mall, which is ask for a specific recommendation. And here, for example, as you can see, yes, I'm actually a little bit yes, closer than that. So let's say, for example, I can just ask for something like my phone, exactly what I just did, which is my phone is dying. Where can I grab a quick bite to eat and charge it? So basically, depending into where you're actually currently at, since we already are signed in with the same actually Gmail account, usually it's going to be understanding where we're currently at, and it's going to be giving me, for example, like into the right section, the actual map of what I'm actually can be able to actually find, and of course a little bit more about what we're actually looking for. So are you looking to walk right across the streets, or do you prefer head a bit further out for a full meal? So basically it's going to be giving you more access depending on what you're actually looking for. So make sure that when you have Google Maps and Gemini application signed in, you're using exactly the same actual application and the same email account, so they can be giving you a little bit more accurate answer. So the second feature, for example, is the inverse navigation, and that changes the actual drive experience because Google uses Gemini multimodal reasoning to check out the aerial satellite images together, so where you out into the actual route, or the nature bows into the neighborhood trade ups. So let's say, for example, how do I get into the Fandom Art and Cafe by walk? Sometimes it gives you like the answer how you can actually connect this directly into Google Maps, and it gives you like the straight way of how you can actually move from one place into another, from A from point B. So additionally, you can keep in mind that they don't open, that they of course don't give you like the exact route. So what you want to do is to make sure that you can go back into the Google Maps and you can enter the right information, or let's say, for example, send me the instructions into my Google Maps. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but it works a little bit more into your computer. So there you go. This is the actual straight directions. Just click directly inside there. Just click inside here and you will be sending right away directly into the Google Maps elements. You're going to be now inside there. So the final upgrade handles the absolute work spot driving, which is arriving into the busy city. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So Google Maps with Gemini is officially a massively forward. It makes your drive less stressful, find better spot, and makes your phone a little bit much more smarter. So if this video helped you guys unlock these incredible upgrades, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more daily dose of C or fluid tech tutorials, and comment down below what your favorite new map feature is. Thank you for watching, safe traveling, see you next time.